And what's up, guys? Today we are making a Nedu video. This is me, Aiden, from Aiden and Friends 0456. We're doing a Nedu Legends of Speed. Okay, so I'm still in my school shirt. Oh, I forgot that was a lightning. This is legendary. Okay, so remember, I am a lightning. I punch crash, give me that cash. Look at that cash. Look at that cash. Desert, of course. Desert, easy. Well, on, give me that. What just happened? I swear I didn't do that. Okay, and it stopped. It froze. Grassland, that's one of the harder ones. Spider-Man No Way Home. Now on Blu-ray, son. It's on Blu-ray. Boring. Legendary. Why are people legendaries in mask? Well, in master releases, I guess, yeah. Yes. Da da da. Come on, come on. We're both green. I'm lightning and lightning's green. See? Green lightning. Oh, finally. Why'd you have to take 1,000 tries? Okay, now please let me get you 600. If you want to be kind, then this is the way to be kind. Easy stuff. Isn't fair. I got to make this either second place or first place. Just turn up the heat. Yes! Boom, did it. And didn't make it in that one, but I don't care because I don't need that. I need these big ones. Shine, shine. Shine, shine. I don't need XP also. I already am max, in fact. Grassland's the hardest one. Found a legendary. Boom. What? Who's going to be... That still isn't fair because he's a legendary. Freaking lightning. So today we're going to try to go on the next rank. As you could see. As you could see, I'm only on lightning. Lightning is good, but could be on something better. Nope. Something captures happen. Okay. Yep. Magnum. No, the legendary. Yes. Dang, 1K Fs. Awesome. Nope. Don't make it like 1K feud. I swear. $2,000K? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Wait, what just happened to me? I got a rebirth. So I just had to restart all over. So stupid. All I wanted to do was get a rebirth. So what? Shh, I'm on the video. So guys, that was our video, and I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.